welcome to how to make the Module 1, Grade 8 Mathematics Module 1 paperless. First of all, I'm going to go to Engage New York and download this wonderful document. Oh, so nice. I'm going to take this now and I'm going to save it to my computer. I chose a nice folder, I called it Math, and you can see I've saved it. I'm just going to cancel that. So now that we have it, we're going to close that out and we are going to open the actual document. Math, there it is right there. So now every teacher can have this. This is called Acrobat Pro. Alright, so I'm going to go down here and find a worksheet. Let's find a worksheet. Mr. Talbot is now assisting me. Oh, this just looks so good. Oh, I can't wait to do this. Oh, this looks fun. Exercise 13. Exercise 11. Ah, look at this sheet. I'm going to now right-click on that sheet, and I'm going to extract pages. Page 16 to page 16. Oh, here it is. Now I have a worksheet for the kids. So, I'm going to File, Save as PDF, Math, and what are we going to call this? Let's call this Math Worksheet 1. And I saved it, and you can see it's right there. Alright, our next thing will be emailing it to students. Stay tuned for that. Alright, so now here we are in the email portion of the tutorial. Now, you could email it to your students or you could put it in Moodle. We'll save that for iPad Camp if you want to put it in Moodle and have them pull it down like that. Easiest way, let's just email it to them. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to go Message, New, and today's student is none other than one Mr. Eric Talbot. The man, the myth, the legend. And we'll call this Math Worksheet 1. And we're going to Math Worksheet 1, there it is, create, and we're going to send it. Now, you're saying, why? What's the big deal here? Well, he is a student. You're an 8th grade student today, Mr. Talbot.
I will try my best.
Alright, so he now has his iPad like any student would. Open your mail up. Oh, look at that math teacher, Chris Capoletti. It's a PDF. What do you do there, Mr. Talbot?
Well, over here at the upper right-hand corner, we go to the export, and we find Notability, usually right there at the top. And it shifts us over to Notability. It'll take a moment to load, and then all you have to do is touch Create New Note. It'll give you the pages. It's on one page in this case. And then here it is. Here's my worksheet. So what I would do is I would go through, and this is well beyond my 5th grade level education.
Expertise?
That as well. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look here. Exercise 1. We've got 4 7 times, so I'm just going to go 4 to the 7th power. Now you could do that, but if you have one of the stylus pens, that would work as well. Number 2, we have 3 6/10, 47 times. So I'm just going to write 47 there. And then I'm not going to do the rest of it, so I'm just going to say that this is 11 63/100ths to the 34th power.
I'm going to show Mr. Talbot a little trick.
There's a trick?
There's a trick today. Down in this corner down here, there's this guy. You touch the little glass, and then I'm going to find this. I'm going to make it small. I'm going to bring this down here. And now I'm going to write the answer. I happen to know the exact answer of exercise 4. It is quite impressive that I know this. It is 7 million. Ooh, that's a little line's a little thick for me. So I'm going to thin that out. I'm going to erase that. Oops. The answer is 7,234,000.
Is that even a number?
Oh, it's a number today. Okay.
Ooh,
Divided by, this is Bob Sprague's math tutorial. Over 100 with a pi sign. I remember the pi sign from high school. Times 2. I don't know. Is that like oxygen?
That's not anything.
H2O.
Oh,
That's probably nothing. Okay, but you can see if you want to write nice and small, you can. It takes very little adjustment.
thanks, teacher.
Thanks. And this is our installment today.
All right, so I'm going to email this back to my teacher here. I'm going to come over here to the left-hand side, destination, and the first one is email. I'm going to save it as a PDF, so we're good to go there. And all I have to do is hit email notes. As you can see, it's attached down at the bottom. My address is already there. I'm going to send it to my teacher.
Fantastic math teacher. Ooh.
Send, and there you have it.
And then Johnny, or in this case, Eric, has turned in his homework. Where's it at? So you're saying, how would I grade this? Well, one Eric Talbot is now in my inbox. And Eric's a good student, so I'm going to open up his math homework. And I'm going to say, oh, Eric, how did you do? Oh, Eric, you got all the right answers.